had to go to this place by your left, which is like an open area where you can just sit out, hang out with your family, wait for all those late comers that like coming late for plenty things like me. But then we had to sit down here because we wanted to eat. Hobby actually was really hungry. He didn't eat at home. He came back from work and just took us out. So he had to eat, but then we also have to eat too. You know how it is. So we went to this place called Pretzel Buka. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I don't know if it's a mama put. I don't know if it's a tush mama put. I don't know if it's a cafe, restaurant. I don't know what to call it. But then this is where we went to. The personnel were not really that cool or organized, but then we're hungry, so we had to eat. We ordered some jollof rice, fried rice, fish, fried poker fish, which I really love. I won't lie. I don't lie. And we also ordered turkey, and that's it. Hobby was the one that ate most of the food, like the mementities. You can see his own food. It was kind of dry, but then it didn't have any sauce. The sauce they had, I didn't like it, like stewy. I wanted something like all this Chinese kind of sauce. So this is what I ordered. But then I had to feed Ife. Gina is eating on her own. My cousin is eating on her own. So everybody was having fun. But me, I had to feed Ife. Just imagine, I was the only one like feeding someone, so I wasn't eating well. And Ife nearly finished the food. You can see his face. He's really enjoying it. And if you waste time, he's going to scream. He was so into the food, like they were really into the food. And Gina wanted to start all those her ballet things. You know how it is with Gina. Everywhere she goes to, in her mind, she has to entertain them. So we had to stop her, so she won't now. It's not every time she will be doing all those kind of things now, you know. So we had to stop her. The funny thing is that she started looking towards Fun World, like she wanted to. Okay, she even started looking at it before, like when we were entering, because it's just by your right, then the open place is by your left. So we had to go check it out. So when we got here, we were told that we're going to pay 3,000 naira upfront for the games, and then 200 naira to buy the card, which was really, really kind of annoying. Like, to me, I felt like it was too much. I don't know if it might be cheap for any other person, but it was too much to me. But then we had to pay because the kids really wanted to have fun. And we even spent more money than that. This lady here was kind of politely rude, but then I will give her a pass for that. Let me just say maybe something was doing her. Maybe her brain was touching at that moment. So I'll just give her a pass. So the prices for this place, it ranges from like 300 to 1.5. What the card looks like. Can you see it's really, really beautiful? I just love the idea, like Fun World, and the card is kind of fun. This was what Gina was looking forward to. Like she was just looking towards this area. She really wanted to do it, and we had to give in. This particular game cost 800 naira. It cost 800 naira, so she had to do it. You can see Gina was having so much fun, if not too much. I don't know if he was enjoying it or he was just tired, because he was behaving like he was feeling very sleepy. After that plenty jollof rice, what do you expect? But then Gina wanted to do everything in this place. She wanted to touch everything, and we had to just allow her, because if not, Gina will start disturbing. But then we didn't pay for everything. So me and my hubby played this game, which was really fun. This particular game cost 500 naira. The aim of that card is to swipe it. I don't know if I can explain it, but you have to swipe it on the body of any game you're playing. There are some things they put there so you can be able to swipe it. So it costs 500 naira to play this game. And I think it's 7, like if someone wins 7, then the game ends. No matter how long you play it, if someone wins 7, I think, you can see I was really having fun, but my hair will not allow me. Can you imagine playing this kind of game and holding hair? And my husband will not be cheating me, because he knows that I'm trying to be conscious of myself, and he won me. Just imagine. Hold it. Gina, shoot now. So of course, I and my cousin had to do ours in the smaller one, which I love. I just love the color of that place, even though my camera is messing me up. So I actually won her in this particular one. You know how it is now. I use some advantage, some skills. So I'm just basically showing you guys around so you can see, as in you can know what to expect if you come with your family. I recommend you come with your kids. If you have kids, though, as in they're going to thank you, they're going to love it. But just come with money, because you're going to spend money. Seriously, you're going to spend loads of money. If you want to, it's not by force. But this particular one I really liked, but then I felt like it was going to be too small for me, in the sense that I might break with my big body. Then also, I love the fact that they have this height stuff here, which people weren't using anyways. So that's it. Gina had to try other games. Then Ife did it too. Ife was just okay. He was just being okay. Then Gina had most of the fun. I think we came here because of Gina, because she was the only, as in like in the kids zone. Me, I had fun. She was the only one having so much fun. So this is another view of the place for you guys to see the kind of things they have. They have car race, volleyball, basketball, anything. See all the things they have. So they are really, really cool, and they are really, really colorful. You know, kids love all these color things. Anyway, you carry your kids. Most kids, both boys and girls, they see you with colorful things, they want to take it. So it's a good place to hang out with your family. This is not a sponsored post. It's a genuine review from me. So don't think they paid me for this. Maybe one day they will pay me, but now they didn't pay me. So this is really a genuine review from me. And that is it, guys. We're done, and it was almost 10 p.m. So we had to go home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I really did. Hope it was very, very helpful for you guys. And I love you guys for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you can, share, please share, show me love. I beg, help your sister. I love you guys for watching. Until my next video, bye.